Okay, this is part 3 of the EZGO EH29c engine rebuild. If anybody's interested at all. I had trouble with the fuel pump working. It was stuck inside as a check valve. I had to take the fuel pump apart, free up the check valve in there, check the diaphragms, check valves, just make sure they're working. Just basically blew air through it. Just checking my belts here. Make sure this is all copacetic. Looks like this generator belt is a little bit loose. It's brand new. I ran it around so it loosened up a little bit, so I'm gonna have to tighten that. That's about it. She's running good. Didn't have to adjust the carburetor or anything like that. Thanks for watching this video.